Hey everyone. So Swipr app, what is that? It's one of the apps where you can make friends and then you can discover their links to Snapchat profiles. So yeah, another way to find new people and then meet them on Snapchat. There are actually plenty of apps like that in the App Store, and this is a popular category. But this app seems to have like super nice, minimalistic, easy to use design, and therefore recently it's kind of in the top charts in social media category and some other categories as well. So I just did this quick overview, so you can enjoy it. I'll just go through main features. So hope that is helpful. Please like this video, subscribe, visit my website mrhack.io. Hey everyone, welcome to Mr. Hack, your YouTube channel. So let's do a quick overview of Swipr app. So basically this is one of those apps where you basically match with different people and then chat, hit me up, you can control your request and all of that. But then you can just get Snapchat friends. So there are a lot of apps like that, but seems this one is getting a lot of attention recently and it's in the top charts in the social networking category. It's a free app. Anyway, so let's just try to open it up and explore how it works. So here is the app basically. Yep, so you can okay, let's just go to your profile. So here's, for example, your profile. You can add different photos. You can add your bio, you can add your interests, and then you can just preview your profile, how it looks like, and all of that. Then there are settings. Then there is your account. You can add your Snap username. So it's important to add your Snap username because later you won't be able to change that. Then there is support. If you're not happy, you can just pause your account or you can delete your account in the bottom. So if you pause your account, then your card is hidden and you can instantly unpause your account. And then in top right, you can select filters. And then you can set up like different age. And then you can just swipe. So there you have it. So here you have matches and also hit me up requests. And yeah, so that's the idea. I don't know, like for some reason it doesn't show up here. Maybe just because it's in Europe or something like that. But anyways, kind of weird, but usually it just show up your cards. Maybe because I'm recording the screen, so you just have cards and you just swipe in and then hit me up. You can just send hit me up requests. So maybe let's just show it in the App Store. So you just see all the hit me ups here, and then you can just send start HMU, it means start hit me up, and then you can chat and connect, and that's basically how it looks like. And then you have all these new chat requests in the bottom right, and then you have all these matches, and then you can just write like hi, you can send pictures, you can activate read receipts, and then you can just tap in top right to open like Snapchat. And then when you open your Snapchat, you should be able to add this person somewhere here. So anyways, something around that. Then you can tap in top right, and then you can try to, if you don't like the person, you can unmatch. Also you can report a block, so that's kind of similar to Tinder. And then you can also post hit me up here, and then you can add more diamonds or gems, I don't know. So you can, for example, just upgrade to Swipr Plus, or you can watch a video and then earn 50 gems. Then you can invite friends, share your link, and then earn 50 gems per friend. So something like that. So to buy more, you can just buy something like this, and then that's like 1500 gems for 399, 3200, 799, and you have all these offers here basically. And then there is Swipr Plus, where you can just upgrade, and 1 month 12.99, 3 months 27.99, and there you have it. So when you upgrade here in this app, obviously it will go through like your iTunes account, and to cancel you will need to go to the settings app and your subscriptions on iPhone. So that's the way to cancel that. Then you have your notifications, messages, and again your profile here in the top left. What's icebreak message? And then you can just write here and then just tap save. So that's your icebreaker message here in this app. And then you can also adjust your card themes. So something like that. So there you have it. That's how it works. You can change your Bitmoji or all other stuff. So that's about that. Just super quick overview of the app. Hope you enjoyed and learned at least some little things about it. Yeah, please like this video. Please subscribe to my Mr. Hacker YouTube channel. I often post and review cool apps and software, so you can find it helpful. Yeah, also check out my website mrhack.io. You can become a member there and check out my podcast on Spotify or Apple Podcasts. Thanks for watching.